Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here today with layout number 5 for my March 2021 Counterfeit Kit Challenge series. Today I am starting with a page map sketch from March 2020, and it's this one here. And I'll show you a close-up here in just a minute after I show you the products that I've pulled. This is a 12 by 12 sketch. It does have 3 photos, and there's several paper layers behind the photos, and there's 3 primary photo or embellishment clusters. Here where the title's at, here beside the photos, and then down below the photos. So first off, I pulled in 3 separate photos, and I'm going to cut those down. I don't know if I'm going to cut them as small as the sketch indicates, which are 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. We'll see. So I pulled in some scraps. You can see these right here in the front to go along here. And then I've pulled this paper. Oh, that didn't need to come out. I pulled this one, which I used, I believe it was on the first layout in this series. The back side is a cut apart sheet, which I won't be using. And then the second sheet is this yellow one here, and the back side is all the words. And I have previously used this, and I've cut it down to a scrap. But I'm going to use a larger piece behind. This will be like the one primarily behind, and then the floral piece will be the one in the middle, and then of course the side piece here. I think you'll be able to tell from that, I hope, to some degree, how the layout is going to come out. These layouts I've been following fairly closely with the sketches. So anyway, I have pulled out multiple sets of washi strips. I have a few pieces left on here. I have some left here, and then I have some left here. So I'm going to pull all 3 sets in, and I'm going to try and use some of those. I have pulled in several layers. I have pulled in several label stickers. These are from 2019. I don't know when these are from, but these are from a long time ago. But the colors go. Also, I have these. These were from an Oh Dear Me kit. Does that tell you how old they are? They're from 2016. Yeah. I pulled in some epoxy stickers from Ellie's Studio. I'm plugging away at these, as well as these puffy dots and shapes. There's hearts, stars, and dots on here. And then these are Jamie puffy stickers from Felicity Jane. I've used 2 small little pieces from here. Hopefully I will get maybe some more of these stars used up. And then of course I pulled in the puffy cameras from Freckled Fawn. Then I pulled in the larger sticker sheet from the collection to hopefully get a few more pieces used from there. I pulled in one of the girls that I had previously stamped and one of my granddaughters colored in. And then I pulled in a couple of pocket page cards from Felicity Jane. So this is where I am starting off. These are the embellishments that I have pulled to use and the papers that I have pulled to use. I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back in just a second to show you what I have created with all of this stuff. And don't forget, I have tons of stuff around me to pull in as well. I have lots of embellishments. Let me flip you sideways. That's what I put my kit in every month. I have one of those tiered holders from Totally Tiffany with the wood slats in it that can be moved around to situate. And then I have another acrylic tray here from Dollar Tree that holds a lot of my ephemera die cuts. And then over here, I have this little basket that I picked up, I want to say, at Tuesday morning. It's pretty small. I picked up a set of 5 of them, but it holds these larger embellishments that don't really fit the tray very well. And so I have lots of stuff to play with there. And this is the border punch that I have been playing with along the way. So anyway, I have tons of other stuff to play with as I go along, so I reserve the right to pull any of that stuff in. Anyway, guys, I'll show you a close-up of the sketch, and I'll be right back. Okay, friends, I am back with layout number 5. So let me show you what I have left over. I have part of the stripe, the chevron-y, arrowy type paper left. I had cut this strip down and put scalloped on either side of it. So I have a piece of that left. I have a piece of the pocket page card left. And then I have some of the floral paper left. And so that's it as far as paper. These will go back into my scraps and I'll keep working on those. I did use pieces from these washi strips. I did use pieces from these washi strips. And I did use pieces from these washi strips. I did use labels from all 3 sets. Yes, and I did use these epoxy stickers, these puffy stickers, these puffy stickers, these puffy stickers, and this title, as well as some of the stickers from this sheet as well. So let me show you what I created. This is layout number 5. You can see I used my girl here. It is a 3-photo sketch. I started off with this one. You will have seen the close-up, but it's 3 photos, and that's what I did. I just kind of flipped it around to some degree. Instead of having the little girl on this side, I put her over on that side. Otherwise, it's a lot similar to the original layout. Yeah. So my title is actually where the title was in the layout, and it is Live in the Moment. Right here, Everyday Magic, Live in the Moment. And then down here, I have Totally Awesome, Wonderful Sparklers. So that was my granddaughter Shawnee playing with the sparklers at 4th of July. And you can see, there's the floral paper, there's the yellow paper that I chose for the background, that piece that I had scallop cut. There's a washi strip there. There's a couple of washi strips here that I layered up. I put epoxy stickers here, here, and here. I use puffy stickers here, the puffy hearts here off that one sheet, and then I have the puffy stars here, here, and here. I used, there's a label, and there's a half a label there. There's a puffy camera. And I popped this sticker up on foam adhesive as this one as well. Then my girl is up on foam adhesive. There's another little puffy heart there. And then there's a couple more washi strips there. Washi pieces, and then another epoxy there. I'll show you a little bit of a close-up. And I will have close-up photos at the end. So make sure if you're interested, stay tuned for that. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow with another page. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here. I would love it if you hit that bell notification if you're interested in seeing further layouts from me, and make sure that you subscribe. Anyway, see you on the next video. Bye-bye.